In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to fall into the trap of providing quick-fix solutions to problems without truly understanding their underlying causes. But what if I told you there's a powerful tool that can help you cut through the surface-level issues and get to the root of the problem? Root cause analysis, RCA, is a systematic approach that enables you to dig deeper and unravel the complex web of factors that contribute to a problem. By identifying the underlying causes, RCA empowers you to implement targeted and effective solutions that address the root of the issue, rather than just treating the symptoms. Whether you're a business owner looking to eliminate recurring problems or an individual striving for personal growth, mastering the art of RCA can be a game changer. In this video, we will explore the power of digging deeper through root cause analysis and how it can transform the way you approach and solve problems. Get ready to unlock the secrets to lasting solutions and uncover the true power of RCA. Root cause analysis is a structured method used to identify the underlying causes of problems or incidents. It involves a comprehensive investigation into the factors that contributed to the issue, aiming to uncover the root cause rather than simply addressing the symptoms. By understanding the root cause, you gain valuable insights that enable you to implement effective solutions and prevent the problem from recurring. RCA is commonly used in various fields, including business, engineering, healthcare, and quality management. It helps organizations and individuals examine their processes, systems, and behaviors to identify areas for improvement. By adopting a systematic and analytical approach, RCA provides a solid foundation for problem-solving and decision-making. Root cause analysis is essential for effective problem-solving and decision-making. It goes beyond surface-level solutions and helps you understand the underlying factors that contribute to a problem. By addressing the root cause, you can prevent the problem from recurring, saving time, resources, and frustration. One of the key benefits of RCA is its ability to eliminate guesswork. It provides a structured framework that guides your investigation, ensuring that you consider all relevant factors and collect the necessary data. This systematic approach helps you avoid jumping to conclusions or implementing ineffective solutions. RCA also encourages a proactive mindset. Instead of treating problems as isolated incidents, it encourages you to view them as opportunities for improvement. By focusing on the root cause, you can identify patterns, trends, and systemic issues that may be impacting your organization or personal life. This proactive approach allows you to address the underlying causes and create lasting solutions. Conducting a root cause analysis involves a systematic approach that consists of several steps. While the specific steps may vary depending on the context and problem at hand, the following framework provides a general guideline. 1. Define the problem. Clearly articulate the problem or incident that you want to analyze. This step ensures that everyone involved has a shared understanding of the issue. 2. Gather information. Collect relevant data and information related to the problem. This may include incident reports, interviews, data analysis, and documentation. The goal is to gather as much information as possible to inform your analysis. 3. Identify possible causes. Brainstorm and list all the potential causes that could have contributed to the problem. This step encourages creative thinking and ensures that you consider a wide range of possibilities. 4. Analyze causes. Evaluate each potential cause and determine its likelihood and impact. Use tools such as cause and effect diagrams, fishbone diagrams, or the 5 whys technique to explore the relationships between causes and effects. 5. Determine the root cause. Based on your analysis, identify the underlying factor or factors that are most likely responsible for the problem. This may involve further investigation and validation. 6. Develop solutions. Once you have identified the root cause, brainstorm and develop targeted solutions that address the underlying factors. Ensure that your solutions are practical, feasible, and aligned with your goals. 7. Implement and monitor. Put your solutions into action and monitor their effectiveness. This step allows you to assess whether the problem has been resolved and identify any potential issues or barriers. Finally, learn and improve. Reflect on the RCA process and outcomes. Identify lessons learned and areas for improvement to enhance your future problem-solving efforts. By following these steps, you can conduct a thorough and effective root cause analysis that uncovers the underlying causes of a problem and guides your decision-making process. To master root cause analysis, explore training programs, certifications, books, online resources, and internal mentoring opportunities. By investing in your RCA skills, you can become a proficient problem solver and drive meaningful change. Harness the power of root cause analysis and unlock the secrets to lasting solutions. Dig deeper, understand the root causes, and transform the way you approach and solve problems. Get ready to unravel complex issues and unleash the true power of RCA.